Well, good morning, everyone. Well, actually, it's afternoon here. Been gone for a little while. I'm back now on the channel. Been home now for, I don't know, 15 days or so, give or take, and getting a little antsy to get back on the road. I had dropped my camper up at Chattanooga Fish and Fun right after I got back home the last trip to get a little work done on it. Hopefully they gonna get some of it under warranty, and so I dropped it off up there for them to start work towards getting the warranty covered. I don't think they've had a chance to do anything on it, but it gave them an opportunity to have it there in case they needed photos or anything. And so now I'm going to pick it up. I've got a trip planned. Going to be leaving Wednesday. Well, actually Thursday or Friday probably, and go up to Lawrenceburg, Tennessee for a Crossroads of Dixie tractor show.
After half a mile, take the exit left 178, Tennessee State Route 29 North, towards downtown Chattanooga. Then
from there we'll
left.
go on up to Portland, Tennessee. I'm
Take
sorry, not
right,
Portland, Tennessee, but Portland, Indiana.
Left.
Portland, Indiana. There is a Portland, Tennessee that we used to go to, but we'll be going to Portland, Indiana for a big show up there. So anyway, we're coming into Chattanooga.
Keep left.
And I guess you could hear on the GPS squawking. So we're coming into Chattanooga now. The camper to
Tennessee State Route 29 North towards
Chattanooga
Bank
Fish and Fun
for 6 miles.
Which is, I think it's actually, physically, I think it's in Hickson, Tennessee, but we have to go through Chattanooga. It's listed as Chattanooga Fish and Fun, so we'll call it Chattanooga anyway. And so thought I'd catch a little video then for y'all as we come through downtown Chattanooga, or come by downtown Chattanooga. We don't actually go through it, but I enjoy Chattanooga. It's a very neat town, river town. Has some really neat features. It got a really wonderful park right downtown, and one of the old bridges that crossed the Tennessee River has been made into what they call a walking bridge, and it's just really neat. They got the Chattanooga Choo Choo downtown. They got a number of little microbreweries and things of that nature, and some really good restaurants. Got the aquarium downtown, and a number of museums. So it's really a neat town. A couple of colleges downtown. If you haven't been to Chattanooga and you get an opportunity, it's a good place to spend a few days. Got Lookout Mountain, got a number of areas up there that are very interesting. I'm trying to remember the name of the park up there, but I can't remember it. I'm old. Y'all have to forgive me for that. They do have the baseball team here, and like I say, Chattanooga's that's right on the Tennessee River. So some really neat stuff downtown. I highly recommend a trip here for 2 or 3 days if you've got some time and you're nearby, or you're going to be nearby. So we're gonna ride on through up here to Hickson and Chattanooga Fish and Fun, and pick up the old camper. I'm going to try to record loading the camper, mounting that thing. I'm not sure how successful I'll be, but I thought it'd be interesting to try. You know, you can't know till you try. So we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna put you on pause for a little bit till we get to Chattanooga Fish and Fun, and then I'll come back active then and come back live, and we'll see what we can do about recording and loading the camper. Hopefully they'll give me a little hand up there. It is a pain to do by yourself, but we'll see. I'm gonna pause you for a little bit. I'm gonna turn the camera back on for a little bit. We're not hardly at Chattanooga Fish and Fun, but it just captures some of the majesticness of the mountain ranges around Chattanooga. Just beautiful mountains. Oh, we like got us a deer there. Almost went deer hunting. Whee! Didn't see that coming. So anyway, back to the mountains. Out here is, I think it might be the big mountain on the left. I'm not sure. There's one mountain out here they call Signal Mountain. Very neat views from up there. When we go back out, and so coming back through Chattanooga, I'm probably going to take you out through Dunlap and Jasper, Tennessee, and let you see some of the beautiful scenes along through the, I think it's Susquehanna Valley. I think that's the way they call that. But from Dunlap on down through Jasper, and then back on 72, and then we'll go back in through South Pittsburgh. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to lose the phone. Well, we're coming up on Chattanooga Fish and Fun now, and here in just a second, thought I'd go ahead and record and let y'all see the facility. This is
turn left.
This is Hicks and Pike, and just out, I guess, on the north side of Chattanooga, you might say.
After 700 feet, turn right, Gold Point Circle North, then you have reached your destination. It is on your right. Turn right, then you have reached your destination. It is on your right.
All right, here we are at Chattanooga Fish and Fun. See if I can find the old camper.
You have reached your destination. 1730 Gold Point.
Get it loaded up.
It is on your right.
That looks like it's sitting right there. So we'll be hooking up here in just a few minutes and take it home and then clean it up a little bit for the next trip. So I'm going to pause you right here while I go ahead and take care of business, and then we'll figure out how to record hooking this thing up. All right, we're going to try to get this thing set up where we can record, mounting it on the truck. So we'll see how that goes.